Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you two trendy niches that I found that are starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. But before I show you those two niches, I want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $19.99. You get 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on merch. I teach you about trademarks. I teach you basically how I find these trending niches and a lot of other good stuff. And then I have another course for Redbubble. It's a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble, also $19.99. And this one you get 20 lessons. It's over an hour of content. Also good for people struggling on Redbubble or people that are new on Redbubble. And here are my credentials for merch. So I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've made over 10,000 sales, and I've made over $35,000 in royalties. When it comes to my credentials on Redbubble, we scroll down, we'll see that over the past few months, $266, $317, $248. So if you're interested in these courses, the link will be in the description, and I'll also have it in the pinned comments. Okay, now let's get to the content of the video. So the first niche that I have for you is called Boo-Ha. You can see there's only 527 results, and this is what the designs look like. It's a Halloween design. Basically, it's like a cross niche, or it's almost like three niches combined. So it's basically taking Ghost or Halloween and cross niching it with a cowboy. Boo-Ha is a play on words. A lot of times cowboys will say yeehaw, but so here they're saying Boo-Ha. If you've noticed recently, or actually every Halloween, anything that has to do with like boo, if you can do like any type of phrase that's like a play on words with like boo will work very well. So here you can see it says Boo-Ha with the cowboy. And these are what some of the designs look like, and a lot of these are selling very well, and they've been recently uploaded. So right here, pretty much all of them are recently uploaded, 2022. You can see the dates here. They all have BSRs, and it doesn't stop on the first row. It goes down to the second row as well. These are all 2022 as well. Good BSRs. If we look at the test to see if this Boo-Ha is trademarked, we'll see that nothing comes up. Well, actually it expired. My session expired, but I did it before the video, and you'll see that, well, basically you're just going to have to trust me that nothing comes up for it. You can check yourself if you go on to test. Let's see if it works again, maybe, so I can make sure everything is on point. No, it still says I'm expired. Well, anyways, it's not trademarked. You're just going to have to trust me on that one. But if you want, you can check yourself. If we go and look at the competition on Etsy, you can see there's actually a little more competition than I like. But if you know how the Etsy algorithm works, like a lot of times if you do sales, free shipping, if you're a star seller, things like that, you're going to be able to get rank higher in the rankings. If we go to Redbubble, there's actually, I think, very little competition, only 643. So, as I've said in other videos, it's pretty rare for a trendy niche to be under, 1,000 results for Redbubble. So this could be a good opportunity for us Redbubble sellers. And when we look at TeePublic, also going to see that there's low competition and the design quality isn't that good. If we go to Vexels and you type in Ghost, you can get some good graphics that you might be able to use to make this type of design. You also might be able to look up Cowboy, you get some other good graphics or clip art. So that's the first niche that I have for you, trendy niche. The next one that I have for you is called, is going to be a Dank Brandon. And let me just get this out the way here. So there we go. So Dank Brandon, this is the niche, the phrase. There's only 264 results. Basically, this is a cross niche of Joe Biden and marijuana. The reason this is trending is because in the news the other day, Biden pardoned thousands of convicted marijuana or people that possess marijuana. So he pardoned all of them. And so it's kind of a play on words because Biden has the nickname of Dark Brandon. So instead of Dark Brandon, it's Dank Brandon. Dank is just another word for weed or for marijuana. And you can see here, like I said, 264 results. Now, there's only one that I saw that is starting to sell, but as I've mentioned before with these political niches, a lot of times these other designs have sold. The BSR just has not been updated yet. So I wouldn't sleep on this niche either. This could be a good one. If we go to test, hopefully it hasn't signed out on me either. But if we go to Dark Brandon, you'll see nothing pops up. And I could probably go back here and do the boo-ha since we're on it, just to make sure, just to show you guys. So boo-ha, and we will see that nothing pops up for the first niche I showed you. But going back to this Dank Brandon niche, you're going to see Dank Brandon, only 1,000 results. I thought this one was pretty funny right here. Dank Brandon puts the pot in POTUS. POTUS stands for President of the United States. That's kind of another little play on words there as well. If we go to Redbubble, we'll see the competition is extremely low, under 100, so that's really good. Me personally, I think this type of design, like this Dank Brandon niche, will do really well on stickers, especially for Redbubble and TeePublic. If we go to TeePublic, you'll see I don't think there's any design yet. This is the play where it says Dark Brandon, but it's Dank instead of dark, so nothing on TeePublic. Again, I think stickers could do very well for this niche. If you go to Vexels, type in marijuana, you get some good clip art. I have an affiliate link in the description, so if you're looking for good graphics, good clip art for your print on demand or merch by Amazon business, you might want to consider checking them out. In my opinion, they have the best spot, or the best spot to get good clip art and graphics. And so those are basically going to be the two niches for today. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out regular videos talking about trending niches, other design ideas. Also consider checking out my YouTube channel. I have some playlists there, my recent uploads, and my trending niches for October. A lot of Halloween niches right now. Halloween is the most popular niche, so consider checking that out if you're kind of stuck or if you don't know what to design for. And if you're also interested in my courses, take a look. The links are going to be in the description. I show you how I do all this niche research, trending niche research, stuff like that. So if you're into that, or if you're interested in that, consider checking out the courses. Links in the description and in the pinned comments. All right, so that is going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.